Hello dear friends and family. So today we are going to do how to make YouTube videos and how to make it in a very professional way. Today we are going to see about the intros and the outros, how professionally you can make it, and also the logos. So first go to Google and you can type in logos of what category you're going to start the channel for. So for example, I'm just going for the basic one, the cooking. So I just wrote cooking logo and I get a series of images and I'm going to choose from the images what image I like. So I just chose one. I like this image, so I'm going to just save it. And then I have another website in my phone which I have started so that because I'm using it often. That website is called as LunaPic. I'll just attach the link of the website in the description of this video. So in this LunaPic, what I can do is I can crop the image and I can make the image as transparent. So first you need to upload the image. So I'm choosing the image which I chose in Google. So I chose this image and I'm choosing upload, and first I crop the image, that is write the text here, logo text here and stuffs like that. Yes, so you just crop the image, we don't need that. And I'm going to make the image as transparent so that I can use it in my videos and it will look professional and it will get the pixels. So we need all these little details. That's how your video will look professional. So what I'm doing, I'm making it transparent and I'm making sure that each and every small holes are transparent. So it will take patience and it will take some time. Just do it, you will love it. Okay guys, so now if you can see, I have made the picture transparent and now I'm going to save this image by pressing the image. I can save it. Okay, now it is saved. Now I will go to an app called as Scrapbook. This is a quite good app for making or editing your pictures. You can edit real good pictures. It does come with some ads, yeah, but we cannot omit that. If we want something free, there will be ads in it, so of course. So first choose the picture, choose the ratio as YouTube. If you can scroll and see, it will be YouTube. Choose the picture and the ratio, and now choose a background for your image. Now if you see clearly, wherever you have made transparent, the background is also appearing there. So now it will look really professional. That's why I meant that you need to make it transparent. Now I'm going to type the title of my channel. You need to brand your channel. That's why I said you need to name it well. So I'm just choosing Cook With Me randomly. You can name it really, you can spice it up. So now Cook With Me, and then I'm choosing a good font. I'm just choosing some random font which I like, and I'm choosing colors for that, and I'm fixing it. Now I like it more better. It looks professional. Now remember, since you are going to use it in other apps for animation, you need to leave the lower part empty so that you can zoom it and edit the other video apps names. Okay, so you will understand what I am telling you when you see the end of the video. So I am choosing one color, finalize your picture, and now you can save this picture and move on to the next step of animating your intro and your outro. You're going to create an intro and your outro, so that will make your YouTube video look very professional and uniform when you complete the video. Okay, so now I fixed my picture. Yeah, this is how I want my logo to look like. So I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna save it, and it is in my photos right now. Now I go to the app Viva Video. So this Viva Video is nothing but it's an editing app. It's a wonderful editing app. You can use it, but it has its limits. Like for example, you cannot you will have the name Viva Video in all your videos. which I don't like, so I'm using iMovie for my editing. But you can use it with some loopholes, which will also be told in my videos. So now you can use Viva Video for animating your intro and outros, because your iMovie does not give, the iMovie in the iPhone does not give that much of facilities for animating your videos. So we are going to use the Viva Video to animate the intro and the outro. So don't forget to choose the canvas of your image, because it has to be 16, I don't know the ratio, but it has to be YouTube ratio. Okay, you need to have the YouTube's ratio, or else it will not look good in your YouTube video. You need to cover the whole ratio. Okay, so now let's move on. Now I'm just going to choose any animation which I like. So I randomly chose this snow, or I'm just gonna choose a flower animation. So if you go see that, there'll be an option effects, that is the effects for the picture. So I'm choosing a flower animation which I like it, so I'm gonna save it and save it as a video. And then I'm gonna give another effect of subscribe button for my outro. So even that will have the watermark of Viva Video. We are going to remove it in iMovie. You will also find other apps in, for example, when I used an Android phone, I have seen an app where you can zoom the video. So you can download such video. In the search in Play Store, you just put zoom videos or zoom the videos like that, and I think you will find an app to zoom your videos. So once you download this, you can zoom the videos in that and save it, so that the Viva Video will disappear. Okay, that's why I said, say, if you can see here, the Viva Video is present in the bottom corner. So we are going to zoom the video in iMovie and omit that. In that way you can use a video which shows no Viva Video, that is the watermark will not be present there. So that is what we are going to achieve now. So if you can see, we have achieved it for the outro. We have removed the Viva Video. That's why I said keep the bottom part empty. So when you zoom it, nothing of your logo or whatever you have designed will not disappear. Okay, now next we move on to the animation in another app. So I told you can do it in Viva Video. Now we can do it in another app that is called as Motion. Okay, I don't know whether it is available in Play Store. Please do check it out and comment whether you found the app Motion in Android. Okay guys, so in each app you need to learn its own methods. For Viva Video we had lots of accessories which are free, but in Motion it's not like that. But the animation effects in Motion are really good. So when you see, when I choose the image as it was, and if I go to the settings, it is not as 16:9. I told you all that you need to remember to choose the 16:9 ratio for your videos. If it's not like that, it will not look good in your YouTube video. So what I did for Motion is that I went and I twisted the image in my Photos app, that is in my gallery. I went to my gallery, I chose the picture of my logo and I turned it to portrait mode and I kept it as it is. And then I moved on to the Motion again. I chose, because the free version only provides a 16:9 ratio, which is in portrait mode and not in landscape mode. So I chose in that and I put the favorite animation which I like and proceeded to save it. This is how I did it, and it came out really well for so many YouTube channels which we are providing for others. Okay guys, so this is another good hack which you need to learn, and do comment whether this was very useful for you all. So now when we save this video, it will be in portrait mode and not in landscape. So what I do again is I take my iMovie, I choose this video and I turn it to portrait to landscape. And now here also I have the watermark of Mosho, so I turn it and zoom it. Yes guys, now you will get the professional look and a professional animation also. You just from your phone, you did all these in your phone in very few minutes. I hope this video helped you a lot in making the intros and outros that you needed for your professional YouTube channel. So do subscribe to my channel and follow my channel for more videos.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.